Hey everybody, this is Language Arts video for Tuesday, what is the date? 12th. We are going to go over what is due today and what will be worked on today, and then we will do vocabulary and grammar. All right, you need to be saying your poem 3 times. Remember, we'll be passing it off next Wednesday, but you really need to do it and have it down really well. Morning writing prompt number 8. We'll have a grammar video and lesson, daily gram number 43. Your writing today is you're turning your keyword outline back into sentences and submitting that to me. Math, whatever your teacher has. Literature, you need to finish up reading chapters 33 through 39. And then for history, today you will answer the question and you will color the picture. So that is all you have today. All right, let's do our poem. Pull out your steno or your print off, whatever you have, and say this with me. I really want you to be working on making sure you're pronouncing it correctly and saying it with a good measure, okay? It's not the critic who counts, not the man who points out how the strong man stumbled, or where the doer of deeds could have done better. The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs and comes short again and again, who knows the great enthusiasms, the great devotions, and spends himself in a worthy cause, who at the best knows in the end the triumph of high achievement, and who at the worst, if he fails, at least fails while daring greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who know neither victory nor defeat. Okay, vocabulary word today is oblige. It is a verb. Okay, so it's an action word. If you oblige to something, you're doing something. It's to compel, force, put under a duty or obligation, okay? So if you oblige to do something, you're kind of compelled. When I say study your poem 3 times out loud, I hope you feel obliged to do so, compelled, not forced, but definitely compelled to do that, okay? And I'm letting you guys pick again what you do this week, but it needs to be different every day. So make sure that you're doing that differently every day. And for writing, you're putting everything back into sentences just from your keyword outline. It needs to be in 3-paragraph form, so make sure that it's written that way. Today you have exercise 8, page 125. So the following common words are plural. So we learned about singular words. Let's review those quickly. Singular, meaning they're just talking about one. Each, either, neither, one. Everyone, everybody, no one, nobody. Anyone, anybody, someone, somebody. These words are plural. Listen. Both, few, many, several, meaning more than one, okay? Few of my neighbors have parakeets. Many of them keep dogs as pets, okay? So let's listen to the subject-verb agreement. Few of my neighbors have parakeets. Of my neighbors is our prepositional phrase, so we could cross that out. Few have parakeets. Have is my verb. Who or what have? Few. Few, remember, is plural. So have is plural. Has is singular. So you would not say few has parakeets, few have parakeets. Okay, many of them keep dogs as pets. Let's get rid of our prepositional phrase, which is of them. Many of them, so many keep dogs as pets. You would not say many, meaning more than one, keeps dogs as pets. So today's exercise, for the number of each sentence, copy the subject. Okay, guys, you are only getting half credit if you are not writing the subject, if you are only writing the verb. You are only getting half credit. So it's worth 20 points, you're only getting 10. So that's not great. Okay, so make sure you're writing both. After the number of each sentence, copy the subject, then choose the correct verb from the two in parentheses and write it after the subject. So it will have a sentence. Make sure, cross out prepositional phrases mentally so you're not thinking of the object of the preposition. Okay, so you guys have, let me see, 1 through 20, you will have to flip the page over. 1 through 20, number those, write the subject, and then find the verb that agrees with it. If the subject is plural, the verb is plural. If the subject is singular, the verb is singular. Let me know if you guys have any questions.